Fire in the Blackstone Hall. Let's cook some quesadillas. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle, which is getting hot as we speak. I've got some chicken tenders. Chicken tenders that I got at Aldi's. Aldi's chicken tenders. They're just, you know, the tenderloin part of the chicken breast. We're going to get them on the griddle. Got a little oil down on the griddle already. Just going to throw down our chicken tenders. And like I said, the left side is on a medium, the right side is on low. Spread out our chicken tenders a little bit so they'll cook. Chicken tenders, just the best part of the chicken breast. Get them spread out a little bit. Yeah, you're going to love this recipe. It's as simple, easy as it can be. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Cheesy chicken quesadillas. Here's what we need to do. We got our chicken on the griddle cooking. You need some of this Blackstone tequila lime seasoning. All the Blackstone seasonings are excellent. This one is really good when you want a kind of a Mexican flair to your food. We're going to dump some of that on that chicken as it cooks. Then we're going to take our tongs. Chicken's already starting to cook. We're going to flip them over. See that? Already turning white. Doesn't take long to cook skinless, boneless chicken tenders, let me tell you. Got that Blackstone seasoning on one side. We got to get some on the other side of the chicken. And like I said, this side of the griddle is turned down to low. Probably turn it off just to keep my stuff warm over here. But we got to get our chicken cooking. And it looks unappetizing right now, but wait till I put that Blackstone tequila lime on there. It's going to look even better than it does now. A little bit more tequila lime. Blackstone, all the Blackstone seasonings are great. The pineapple sriracha is really good. And they're all-purpose seasoning and they're Tex-Mex seasoning, and they've got a bunch of them, and they're not expensive either. You get them at Wally World. They're about $5 a jar. So yeah, let's get them covered up with that. It's starting to look like something now, huh? Cooking our chicken. Cooking some chicken tenderloins. All right, we're going to get them cooked up a little bit. Then we're going to slide them down to the right, and we'll start, we'll clean off the griddle and throw together this easy peasy recipe, so stay tuned. Ladies and gentle people, the quesadillas are done. Here's the extremely frosty root boy mug, and here's today's beer, Corona Extra, Las Cervezas Más Fina. I don't have to read the little tiny writing on this. It's Cervezas Modelo Mexico beer, 12 ounces. It's a skinny little can, but it's okay. Let's pour that sucker out. I know about Corona. It's great stuff. I love it. I love Corona. Corona is what Budweiser could be if they weren't so fixated on profit. I don't suppose Corona's probably just as fixated, I suppose. It says imported. Imported from Mexico. I don't know what the ABV is. Don't think we're going to find out this episode either. Even though that's a small can, it fills up the mug just fine. Imported beer. Imported beer, 12 ounces. It doesn't really say an ABV. Kind of botched the pour a little bit. I think I can get it all in the mug though, if I'm careful. There you go. Corona. Cerveza Más Fina. La Cerveza Más Fina. Something Mexico. Okay. Mexican beer to go with my quesadillas. We know all about Corona. We don't have to sniff it or anything. We just drink it, right? Let's quaff the froth off of it. Ah! That is what I like right there. It's a Mexican lager. Very good beer. Let me turn the camera around and get some of this good stuff in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, my quesadillas are done. I don't know if I can hold this plate up like I usually do, but there they are, man. Ah, they're looking good. I don't know what that, what's that shine on my face right there? I don't know. What's that from? Holy crap. I don't know. We gotta get rid of that, don't we? There we go. All right, now it's back. Oh man, hey, you like my shirt? You like my cool shirt? Hey, let me get some of this quesadilla in my mouth before I lose my mind. I'm dying of hunger. These are a little unwieldy to eat, but I can still eat it. You know what? I'll get it in my mouth somehow. So good. You know what you need? Just a little dab of sour cream. That's what sets it off right there. What's that like? It's still doing it. Let me tell you what. I know I'm talking with my mouth full. This is excellent. Yeah. So good, so easy. Anybody can do it. Hey, if you're wondering about my shirt, I'll put a link in the description. I have an explanation of what that says. Beer. Hey, this recipes go, they don't get any simpler than this one. I hope you'll give this a try. Dress it up any way you want. Pickled jalapenos, pickled onions. I made them very simply because my family is very simple people. They're very simple people from a simple part of the world. Anyway, yeah, check these out. These are some awesome quesadillas. They look a little burnt, but they're good. Like I said, a little sour cream and jalapenos. You got something going on. Get yourself some Mexican beer. And you know what I say? What I always say is, get that shiny light off my face. What I always say is, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard, check out my buddy Big Rob. I hate that. I don't know what that is. Go check out my buddy Big Rob in the iCard. It's right there. And he's cooking up some stuff. Go check him out. He made some chicken, wrapped in bacon. Good stuff. Okay? Alright, babes, we'll see you next week. Yo, we may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. I don't know what that shine is on my face, and I can't handle it. Look, it's right on my nose. Bye!